Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on ESPN Fantasy Sports. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the sign up as well as login button. Go ahead and tap on the sign up button to create a new account and you will be asked to enter your email address to continue. Just type in your preferred email address and then tap on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your first and your last name. After typing in both of these, enter a password that you prefer to use for your account. And you can also use your face or fingerprint to log in. After entering your password, click on the agree and continue button. And now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So check the inbox of the email that you just used and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given box and then tap on the continue button. And now you will be signed up to your newly created account on the ESPN Fantasy Sports right away. You can now start creating your very own league or join an existing one in order to start enjoying your games right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.